In order to edit players in Madden NFL 26, first of all, in the main menu, we need to go to the Creation Center, and over here switch to Edit Rosters, and then go there. Now we're gonna go to Manage Players, and over here, of course, we have players from the selected team. The team can be switched by using left trigger, by holding left trigger on Xbox, L2 on PlayStation controller, or left control on keyboard. And then, of course, we can choose whichever team we want to manage. And we can also choose by position over here by using right trigger or R2 or left shift. And once you find your player, what you can do is simply select him. So press A on Xbox or X on PlayStation controller. And after that, we have Edit Player. Here we can find all the information. So we can change the first name, last name, the position. We can change the number and some other stuff. Some things, of course, cannot be adjusted. Then we can go to rating. In order to adjust rating for the selected player, we also have attributes, which unfortunately cannot be changed. We can check abilities. We have contract info, which cannot be adjusted as well. We have apparel, where we can change the gear, for example, and some other stuff as well. So be sure to check that out as well. And appearance, where let's see if we can actually customize something. We actually can. We can even change the face. So yeah. And once you are done with everything, you can just simply go back and save changes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.